Some sickness, they give you pain. Some day you they manage and they go. Our own sickness, na miserable one, very frustrating. You understand? Okay. I understand, my darling, but it's not the end of the world. You can manage it. Now, when you feel play this audio, go give your husband. You don't speak your mind. It's good. The one where your husband come to answer and she come send her to me, I come to me and go listen. Come listen. I come still say, your husband come tell and say, I not say me you not kill yourself. Oh. As you want kill yourself, so the only thing we I get for you be say, no kill yourself for inside my house. Wear your cloth, go train station, go jump put, so that they go pity me. If you die for inside, they'll fair arrest me, oh. They'll fair they come, they query me, what I do to you, me will not be me kill you. I beg, I want to make you die, make them still pity me. Go die for train station, so that people go know, say, oh, that man, oh, wait, jump for train, oh. They go pity me, oh, pity me with children where you want to leave behind. If you die for inside, they go arrest me, oh. They will fair arrest me, fair take the children. I beg you, as you say now death, now you want to solve your problem, go train station, go kill yourself before I come. So now the woman can still make another audio to the man, say, very good, no problem. You know even to say, make I not even die. Now make I go die for a train station. Okay. I will do everything for you. We go make you happy. I go really wear clothes. I go train station. In short, I go write letter. May they not arrest you. No be you kill me. Say, now my sickness, now I kill her. You hear? Make you forget happiness when he die. So the man can't make another audio, can't give her. You know how some men be, they don't know how to come straight. Then the man can say, because the woman lock herself for his house. Then the man can say, I don't dare hear since make I wait, so that if I hear, I'll quickly go couple. But in the death, you never want to die. I won't go walk, oh, because I be the way since I be never go. I just had put for year. The way make I hear you do, me I know say you don't die. As you know one die, so me and one can go walk. You hear? If you want die, remember what I tell you. Because you are not just saying you ready to die yet. Because you for don't die since we are there here, they wait for you. If not dead, then you want to solve your problem. Oh yeah, go they die now. Then the man can go. My people, I wanna see this story. They just use their own two hands. Now, this story, you know why I like it? Because now what they happen for many people life. Una also na they worry, una they depressed. Now una they use una hand because why so webe no waje. Why so webe no waje. Imagine this one a husband and wife. We even get luck. Or you both they pay their bills. Everything as rent, or you both they pay them. All the bills, or you both they pay them, but they go just receive some small talk. Okay? Then the money where the man they beg, they build us for Africa. Even in my way, boy. Hey! Black people, now God go save us from our wickedness. Ew! No me guirie. No me guimu. Owi yen fian no wa. Owan nye gui no we. People they country where 12 una day. Now the beggy the man go they do, go take use and pay her strength. He go use and feed children. He go use and do everything. They never die. They not get like una luck. 12 una get luck. Now more stress una they give to una, especially the husband. Now they talk to so my brother. My brother, what is wrong with you? The stress where you bought they stress you every month, or they ask you why una be high. You can't see say na stress. You say if you they go there, your heart go they make boom boom boom. My brother, when we don't we are jigon we ya bo wa Africa. Una team we get yo to na bo ohamam. You put us there for ground. You they build where your children need to they live on condo because you want save money. No be you they pay bill. My lady, they come for you. My brother, it's not good though. Very soon, you see this death where you take the place so. May your wife die. May they for pity you. How long you think say they want pity you rich? Your eye go open. And the spirit of your wife, when you use stinginess, take kill it. You know they watch film. You think say na lie that they talk. It go worry you. Why will you do such a thing? Not be so una not get money at all. Una get money. You go get money, you go hide and you go the stress for the roofing where you want to do. E mo marry ever, eh? Your university wife, that's why sometimes for woman to go school, sometimes they'll say they don't want to marry illiterate. I know they too blame them because sometimes if woman go school, go marry man, we don't know something. But if man go school, if he marry woman, we don't go school, very good. Woman go know everything. Without school, you know what to do. But you see man, we don't go school, you will go school, go marry him. He double stress, double wahala for the body. The way you the reason you go the reason you like enter the kitchen. Kitchen is your place. You are a woman. You not gonna know say you exposed, you educated, you know more than him. Hey, the woman was very constructive. When the man was answering, I was crying like, who does this? That's why me, when I did small picky, even because they will frustrate you. They will frustrate you. When you reason like this, maybe the IQ will God give you, like me, you know, very high. I can't go marry one tradition or one local or one uneducated man. When me go the thinker like this, go the think of social media is still there, like social media. Where? Okay now. So, my brother, you get money or you be rich man. You the build that, you fẹ́ build two flat, you can't put them for rent. On a y a rien rien ouais, landlord n'a rien rien. On a regbe mo ve yo to na anye comment wa gun if na we regbe me lawe ni ave tamawe bi ko ji. And your wife for year one die, you no care. You the craze. Something like they worry your head. What is wrong with you? How many of them they do competition? Competition with Africa as we too. But yeah, something where you go regret. Few years from now, you will regret. Because very soon, you know build the year. You know build the year. Because now for year where you day, you know they work now. No unconscionable na day. I not sure say that they listen to na when on old. If I normal listen to na when on a day, you know, I listen to na when on old. That's why contribute na day before they're old, they don't go Africa. Oh yeah, Africa because I gba ogiyan. The man gba shawo emi ra Anyway, may you know how you want to carry your wife and your children come on for there. You get wife where go school where they Jesus. You never they think of that one. You they go plan your children, your life for Africa building. I don't understand you now. That is not my problem anyway. It's your problem. But my problem right now, my brother, please, not let your wife die. The things where you they go focus on, it don't make sense. And you even see help through this your wife. So now she go church where she go bring family come where can they help you? They help you no woman you know. Wa asu wa hian wa dege. What a woman we got shawo no. Ashawo they give man 20,000, 30,000 for a start. Look their life today. Look at all the women we see 30,000 give men. Where their life today. You see woman, you don't cash 30,000 give you, but everything I bon, he follow you there. If they do market for inside your hand, and you they give money to like madam. See, you see social media where they talk. Some of them will be slave or now. Why do I comment? When they can enter, you don't be like a wife. You think I want to be like a wife like you, slave? I don't want to be like a wife like you. Nah. Okay now. So my brother, that is very bad of you. You they go do begging, you they get money to take do something big like that for Africa, and you are still saying you don't have money. You have money. your life well. If you really thought, say, oh, you both they stress you, now they make you the fear. Start to they pay the bills by yourself. Carry €100, go give Oyibo. The rest one, may you pay them by yourself. Greedy man. That they stress you, but you want go give them. Every month you want go give them. Why can't you take by yourself to pay €100 out of it? After all, you get money. Okay, now, the woman, sister, I am depressed. Sister, depression is worrying me. Sister, depression is depressing me. Sister, I want to die. Oh, yeah, now. Yes, of the talk to you, eh? No, you yak babo. No, yak babo. Hey. As we they preach rich for this social media, self-love. We will. Okay, all our audio, if you not listen to that, self-pity. As I they do rich, I don't know what you say me I do. I can do this one. I can do that one. I can do this one. I can do that one. If you want to go, may you go. You don't leave me. May you not say, I'll feed you. Hell! Oh, why did you ever everybody can don't die? So if man they punish you, my sister, if the man not go, you not go. If man they punish me, I know wait me if I go, make the second go. Ah, God forbid. You are there by yourself, you go. You say me the man, may go. May you tell no say he ready. Hey, they punish you. You not like him, you want die. Make it go. May you for not the one where you dey. You say if he go, you go fit take care of children. You go dey strong. Nothing you cannot do. My lady, why do you want to die while he's with you? Why can't you go and do your own now? Why can't you go and do your own? Make come see you. Person where you want die for inside a room. Or where do I want train station near the moon ziga. Where why you why so ma show a care, ma show a concern. How many years we don't date together? 7 good years. Since 7 years, you never know how to show love and concern. How you want to learn? Na. You don't carry and go any therapy. No, no, they call therapy for my husband. No, they call them. No, they tell government say my husband is not behaving normal. No, they tell them. Una must cover up for them to take you with depression for his ass. So, my lady, what do you go do? Number one, your sickness. I really pity for you. I don't know how they stop that thing. Maybe next time we will talk about it for people. We know how they'll fit help you. If you see me, I talk and come on next time, okay? How they'll fit help you for the sickness, how you want to stop. The one where you say you don't go doctor, you know they stop. But one person where I share your story with just now because you say you want to kill yourself. The person say na stress na they do you for that sickness. He say you don't already stress thinking your body then make that thing because if person stress na different thing they spoil for your body. He say na make that thing. If you lessen your stress, he said that thing it go take by itself stop. You understand? And again, I'm not sure say all those things where you they say, where you they give your money to your husband like madam. Do you know that thing they depress woman? If woman they work, as I just they work, so now not be say now I'll just work finish go say how much you make today? I say €20. Where? I'll give her. Tomorrow, how much you make? €30. Where? Where depression over it? You know depression where meet that kind of thing. Where Richard? You they work, you they say, you they do everything. And you they cash out for your husband hand. Every woman, go check all women men where they work, they cash for husband hand. They be cuckoo. If they go for street, they talk, they go. If you see they is zan, they me boy makeup. Because that thing dependent for inside mind. They know they fit talk and they get soldier husbands. If you not give, it beat them. That one a pimp husband, my lady. If you know say not be your husband, they pimp you like that. Stop it. Tell them. Now we not even get all this problem. If problem come marriage, now for things to take change, power to change hand. Not be say problem come marriage, now you go agree to everything when not they work well, make the marriage to go. No. Sometimes problem come the marriage. Now for you to take change. Now for you to take ask for the thing where you not fed they ask for before. Not be you go just agree on everything. Okay, now go they off light. Okay, now go they wash play. Okay, now go they wash ground. Okay, now to make somebody happy. For what? For what? No, my lady. You have to also say what make you happy. Say, I don't fit they live for darkness. I don't fit. Okay, no worry. The light be me go the pay. Yeti yawu. You have to say that. You understand? The light be wait till they do you. Tell by yourself, say, money where they say, I go the whole land. Ni mewe ya support why is support what throughout being for what? Tell by yourself the support home for what you want support. No support he has, no support has true one. Because you know why? O man se no wuni so double we are when you make na ya go the marriage when scatter. But again, the one where you just they do everything. Say you for this one, oh you quickly take and why? Why are you doing that? You just say that one 9 man take the better. In short, this your man, you spoil him. Who will back your man now? A marriage when now don't ask to salo there because this man you don't ready spoil him. You don't turn yourself to slave for him. It go hard. Because when you don't turn yourself to slave for a man like this, the time when you want to say, no, me, I take myself small, he go say, hey, social media don't spoil you, oh, hey, he don't spoil you, oh, he don't spoil you, oh. He not go fit take. He go say, come they do chest for me. No one do it if they do. We want more, we are no area. Hey, you just carry your children money everywhere where money they come. You han. You put them for your hand. For what? You don't want builders for Africa, and so does that make you support somebody? I don't feel talking for my video. If you no want builders for Africa, and your husband say, I want builders for Africa, a problem. My sister, that is not the time you work and do service together. Never! Because una get different dreams. Make it by itself. They do something for Africa by itself. Not be the one where go tell you say, may you they take care of B. Maybe your mouth them in a road. Oh, because when they plan with them, and now when they plan, we jamais. And when not they plan, so no do that one. If be their house, if now only you want for the carrier. Plus, you they give her money, you not go change her. Only you want builders for Africa. Me, I don't want builders for Africa. Me, I believe here, the one where I eat or not be my own. I no fits. You understand? They be where they house. If na if they pay us rent, go they pay us rent. If na you they do shopping for shop, for food, you go they do one. Light be, electricity be, enemy be. You not go share. If month come, the one where suppose when you they do, you go do your own. If month come, the one way you supposed to do, you go do you. The remaining money will remain for you. Get ya away in Africa. Only man concern away. Why no see a boy? The people where hypertension, like depression, they worry away when people like you right now for marriage. People where they work their life, put on for husband, depression must worry you. Not be love. Depression must worry you. If man start to you start to give things. I don't know as I want to talk. You start to hand over your money. Only take, may you quick do that thing. Only take. The day when you know if you do, OBJ, you don't be enemy. That thing can even scatter your marriage. It go turn you to a woman when not the supporter. It go just forget all the support when you don't support her. Mona not the do on here because seminami ya zere. This lady una make una not the do. Una see where you lead that to depression. Now it go lead you to. And my lady, my husband know that I'm sick. He know they pity me. He know they tell me sorry. You never know I say na so it be. Wait, boy. Hey, sorry. No, na me where you dey wait for he's sorry always and all the time. Then they give you like say he's sorry, now he want hear you. Since when he go tell you sorry, he hear you. No wait for he's sorry again. If you tire, you tire. If they ask for pekus and you know yourself, you are not ready for it, you let her understand. Honey, you they forget say, I not really wear. No, I not fit. So for my even whether na me where you they use and starve am. But if you really tired, let her know. Because if you judge her anywhere, people go moaburo say, what kind of a man is this? You know the kind of sickness where your wife they say, now you the verse. No, they do everything to please your husband. You will kill yourself. See, let me tell you, when you hear that word, people say, my husband, okay, I love you, but okay, I'm gonna kill myself. You know women when they do like that. Now women will carry their life put for my hands. If you carry your life put for man, you must kill yourself. Because me, you understand? So if they get, you see small stress where your husband gets, when make and they forget everything where you they do for her. If man gets more stress, the big one where you carry for her. You understand? That's why when you are in your marriage, you must still have yourself, hold yourself. Don't lose it. Don't just give it away, lose it, finish it. Number one, have your service. God forbid, but the reason why you still did that house, they thought, say, may your husband fair go, may you did. One call boy, mini person now, I not there with you. You not get all your saving, you they carry and give my mate, say, now me good pass. Hey, you know my husband get this for Africa. My husband get that for Africa. We help. This say help you went what I come. In short, if you don't get all those things for Africa, if you visit, you don't go. Now so they use organic make they portion and they go. The one we can get respect pass you. The one where they cook pass you. The one where they clean that cleaning. You will even get or now. You even get or some women they here that they do everything. I always Africa. Wow. Not to talk of you will get or. Now there your husband go see the one way go from ground, then go jump, go clean ceiling for her. Go clean ceiling, go clean curtain, go clean everywhere, go they clean. Especially your man come just say, you sabi clean no. My wife not really. Or for there, a cleaning in here, you the yes so. You now you not feel like Africa because if person not like Africa, if he like husband build mansion put for there, or go je. Because you know like him. And if husband don't build mansion put for Africa, before you get 600, 300, they take it in there. Oh, yeah, I love you, Africa mansion. Because don't I big man now offend, beg. My sister, this of marriage go still hard though. Who are barely me 5 in a cake. I'm not just say go reach evening. Because husband will like Africa, put all your life savings for there. You don't, and for year, now chicken. Your husband don't get driving license. He say he no need that. Get a waste of money no. Your husband not ready to work for abroad. That's why they carry big go they give people to the pay B. Your husband are beggy. Then one day your husband can finish a mansion everything. Who where? Or a mansion your party Colombia. What's soon? When you call one, they go padara. Where all those people where they follow, you know, all those sisters where get big where they fuck you up and down. They oh. Oh we jale mo here. Oh we padem mo here. Oh we voe mo here. When your husband want go say give me and they help you, they clean and wait for you. My sister, start to hold yourself now. Work your money, all these things where you say you they say. If you go where you see so. Don't give her again. Make you arrange your ass back again. You will see you will come there happy. You know why you know the day happy now when you want that. All your life, it just be like say you give them to a person we know they appreciate. But if you dey in control of your life, in a means be where salvation go. Because when we not die, where or marry me we low. Or be anywhere. Or be in a talo. because sweet. But if you put your life as you put on soul, I say lamb, I give her. I say goat me, I give her. I do person, yeah, I give her. I work big boy with children. Who work big boy? I week be a video. Cause love by my yeah, chinya. I see ya do buya muyinya kere we are wa cookie more, wa we normal things, wa managing eh. No follow man do house offline, not do one. All the people we do, all of them leave their husband. That marriage break. I know one Igbo woman. That time, I saw your husband they doing the name of one carry container. Over here, I see Igbo woman head. Now so he rich like this. Your husband not give her a last. He come back and shortcut to kill. Children when they bring up for Africa. In the Africa, they feel bad vessel until they rob the children. He come here, husband say €7 vessel. It too much. Go buy or you bet too. Come give her. E mona do ye kwaka. To buy cloth for market. Go say no. If you say come I get market. That one. If I know what to make me come. Is this how on abroad be? In abroad, Africa, my children don't wear second. Abroad. If this abroad is, the woman come they depressed, they go. The woman come they tire. One day the woman come here say, why not they be like this? Don't they pay the children? Say, no. Your husband say because they newly come. Then, Netherlands. Where children get passport come from Nigeria. They pay the sins. The woman say, really? Now your husband, if he never come back from work, he not go back grandmother to your con. Ordinary 10 euro put on for grand. May I take go back till we go? He go say like life if they come for work, he go take by himself. If the woman carry oil like this, it be so sharp a weapon. If the woman carry oil like this, it turn on for this thing. If the man go come, nah, not too much oil. This one don't need too much oil. You know why people fool you? Just put small one. You put small one. Don't even use the oil. Come on, I put the oil to fry patat. Use this butter, cut it. You put butter. You read. The woman was frustrating every day. One day be one day. The woman paper can't complete finish. The woman can't see you show and road. All year the time. So my sister, start saving your money. Not they give her your money again. Because you go they expect me appreciate, cannot appreciate you. He cannot appreciate you the way you want. You know we women now. If man do this type of thing where they do for your husband. If man walk out their life for us, we go there. Oh, my king. Oh, my this. Man, not that one. That's why many men, when women give money to take build hotel, they not marry them. Because men, great. The one where give the money, ain't left it. Men, not that one. Not go kill yourself. Yeah? My husband must get mansion where now you better pass. Let your husband say by said do it thing. You hear not that I beg. That thing not talk and again. Pray as I tell you today. Not talk and again say you go there. What you want that? What of your children? You just love your husband, you want that. For what? If you die, people will want to tell and sorry, you go start to they do that. Yes, what happen for this Netherlands? When his wife die, his wife want born, he don't born the pikin, he can't enter come, I can't die. Do you know if friend where come where they say help me take care of that pikin? He not reach 3 days. People start to they suspect say they sleep together. Do you know when the thing finally open like 1 more time, the man say yes. Now you want to take you depression, you ain't until today they marry, they can't relocate. When they see say people mad too much for their body, they can't go Canada. You hear? If you die finish, you see that your close friend, then go replace you. Even if it not be your close friend, one woman where they on a city there, we not get husband for now. Quick, go take enter your husband body. And your husband no talk say, my wife they mortuary. Why you book can you work my baby? Hey, ya big boy have jamais. Ya big boy on them on you stupid this tag bono. Why big boy about me Hey, big boy about me suffer because suffer not be permanent. You understand? If today not good, tomorrow you don't know what to get for you. But my advice to you, Stop living like ass girl. It causes depression in husband's house. When you are a wife, take your place as a wife. Go and work if you have to work. Don't give your money. Don't go and work and give your money to Mao. Ah? If you want to support, look at your money. Maybe you get 200 euro. Look inside. Give her 20 euro. Not give her 100 euro. I may tell you, say, borrow me your 200 euro. What's your money? When you borrow a bank? Eri ne? Oni mami, woman lover owawe. Otuya ni dwegbe kini. A depression iwa boya yako wodonikba. Awe boya na ya miegbinya. E manike u verioni. Ime wa enya. Iye ido silegbe ari awebu. Eni yepo ya na se. Na rionane. Na boro nane. On. Umana boro na tama wega gwen ete mai. Na kpada munya one dego kowe. Atama wego nyo se nukbe ne dego kowe. Okbia na kwe epigbe yan idego ko se ke si eve stress. Okbia ave stress. E dego ko bia wa hepe egbe stress okpa gire dagmo. E kare so adoni kebe no super. So my darling, your market, take charge. When you sell all your money. Henceforth, that light where they worry your head, where your husband tell the off light, off light, off light. Tame warape. Neighbor be chatting, we neighbor be chatting away. We e light warape. Uma wawape. Wawahi mi neje. U yigo ya pe igele. No ya rigo ne no ya boba yeke no kian joba kwe. No kosu we e heti we. Osalo boy mi no mwe mi no do egbeju egbe. It can be stress. Yes, somebody we are there na say na stress. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, my lady.
Mommy Monica.
Koji. Hey, thank you so much. I love you too. I love you too.
You took care wisdom.
Thank you. Thank you.
I God will bless you with your wisdom.
Thank you. Hello, man. Hello.
All this way you the talk. Now, truth of nothing but the truth.
Okay.
Not the truth, but nothing but the truth. Now you talk.
Okay.
I don't start. Once at a time, I start this kind of situation. I said,
somebody help me give her my number.
As soon as they do, as long as everything don't be okay. The way my husband coco they talk, me I can't gather myself. Gather will make hope. So I say, no. What's going to be this? You're lucky we're going to come out from my mouth. If nothing, it's a law. Nothing, Mr. Man. Nothing, me to gather your money. It's a law. Follow you talk the money.
Women, I give my smart. See our mother suffer, we come they suffer.
Say that you follow me, gather my money. Are you working for me? I can't gather metal. See now, everybody gets your lay. Respect comes day.
Ain't go call the fear not to lose you. Make somebody else not go enjoy that money where you know say you get. You gather your money, give man. You know say without time you not get nothing.
My husband don't even know my, you know who cares to know my money say.
Amen.
No, not the person where they care.
Love it,
know. If I want buy, I go buy. You go see buy, yo.
Na so.
Buy,
Marriage go the sweet.
Can't get power. If I want buy with I want to dress, I go buy with I want to dress. You know, for anybody. Now me work my money. You want to buy, go buy, now you work your money. Now nothing but the truth just talk. Any woman when say me put woman for her, hey, I like how you joke.
Wait for me.
Now side you go say go. People we know who man now. Other lady we know who care. Now that they love pass. So woman not need to just carry mask. They support me. Support the difference. Say you.
No 2-4, not 2-5.
I want to build you. I want to build this. I want to build the kidney.
Thank you, my lady. Thank you.
If you build them, make it.
Thank you. Thank you.
You do well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, my people, as I was saying, you all get your money. You even know what they survive some kind of marriage. The woman, you're there hard working, you get your money. The man no say, you get oh, but I'm you understand? Every time you equal, but he know say, you heavy, you day. Or your bug when you lose. You understand? As you just there, so man go just they do you. Because we carry husband for head. Yeah, we they carry husband for head, but we know they go they cash money for husband. Now so that they understand that thing. No, I'll explain that day. You understand? You know they go cash like this. No. You organize your husband and go organize. Because women, we get that kind wisdom, don't leave us. Wisdom, wait for us. You understand? We go use that to help our husband, but don't be a girl that balance to your husband. That marriage will not work. You must regret it. You must cry later. Because men, they don't know that kind of say. Try to be the work. Keep your money. Wait something to share B come. Share B. Do one. Something to do for children. The one where they take care, in go take. Hello.
Hello, my lady.
Hello.
Hello, my lady.
Eh?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Well done. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I want to advise that lady. May put herself together. Because all the, especially Benin men, majority of them, not really good for the ones that I appreciate. It happened to me. It happened to me, you know. My lady, carry your children, go another country because they know what to die for. They know what to die for. If you like to go jump for train station as they talk, she go there happy. We go there happy where even your own best friend as the lady talk. My own best friend, 90 days.
Can you
all
imagine?
my enemies for the whole city where I sit, then they show a road up to that. I lady, I better stand for yourself, eh?
Thank you.
Stand for yourself, carry your children, go another country, go start a new life. New beginning, everything will do okay. Nothing will be permanent. Thank you, my lady.
Thank you.
I want to contribute.
Okay, thank you, my lady. And they see come a person say if they get kind husband where they help. Not be this type of one. My sister, no husband where they know they help, but you must know the method of helping man. No to say, Monica, my husband is different. Now, man, me they talk. I'm not even talking about husband. Man, where God creates. You must know the method where they take the help them. They be the same when it comes to if you don't know how to take help them. The same pepper soup they put for your eye. Hello.
What you were going to tell me. And then,
Facebook. He read Facebook.
Okay.
He read Facebook.
Facebook.
Okay, or money finish. Okay. You understand, so my lady? No husband, they're not the head, but you must know the kind help where they give man. Not be husband me they talk. The kind help where they give to man where God creates. Because all men are ingrates for some kind mumu help where women they do. Do they yes so? If you know how to say hello Princess Yeti, thanks for being here. They are not what it somewhere they don't put pepper soup for here. Oh my God. See, men where God creates, they are all ingrates in some kind help where women they give them. If woman use mumu to help men, I know even they refer to your husband, my husband, all of them together. It gets some kind mumu help where you go give man. It great. It go be like say you go press in great button. Now in great wawa me. Now me don't see you got to head they do good for them. You go still they ask them, you not gonna thank me. You not even thank me. They're not gonna know how to thank. Because you happy no salopa matter when I niya. So what happy niya, you must be very smart. True, we cripple the yeah. You must be very smart. Otherwise, you will be the problem of why your marriage now ends in 15 years, in 20 years after your husband don't succeed. Do you know why marriage ends 25 years? Then you sell a lesson. Now the help where you they give them today. The time when you marry, men don't know that kind of thing. Men, now men know say he go use woman when he old. When he poor, money not there, the woman go there, he go, he not gonna say that they renew. If this man when on renew bekuso, if he don't do rich at the age of even a demon that can go contact you say ekbekusi ni ye zewa ube ne boy sunu na fikere na renew. The worst, their family go come join them. You don't know. That's all na be. You don't see man where rich way family no they join. Cool. You do way. Especially come be say na kpekusi renew. Now that time you know say if your father na 14, if father na 7, if brother na 3, if uncle na 5. Oye vakeka. Ogwe wasoji. You all they look like this. For 27 years it was not like this. It's money. It's success. That's why they do man. That's why when you are in marriage, man is success. You are doing your own also. I'm not saying this, you are doing your own also. I'm not gonna say if man take land, oh yeah, may you still go take land. No be that kind of one now me. If they successful, they go, you too. You they do everything where you know, say you got land, you are really fixed in. You know they work all your life with your boy. If you do that one, what mean now so cry. Check people where doing. So cry. Now that they cry, regret. Don't do it. When man, they work towards success of this, of that, contribution 100%. Your own. Not do you go just can be I'm in the kitchen. And it take your pan and say, Atama get me and sense very on it. Atama who tell you say they get sense when you put money for the hand? Now there you keep their sense. They don't get sense again. If you they work, you they give man, I don't go take money. Ordinary pada. Now another woman will say, shuru. Because we come here and then when you take the word, they give her money, so you don't spoil her. Bible say men are the head. You not us say the bineko. People where they describe and they say men are the head, women are the remote. You see, Carry your own everything, just put on for man and say anything my husband say. If you see many women where they say, wait for my husband, anything my husband say, my husband, the thing is in charge. My husband is the one in charge. My husband is the name. Look there. Just look their life. Original gwen. Now so you do well. Can't do like that, so fuck your money. Get your